Hello guys, welcome to Enaildiaries. Today I have with me K by Katrina nail polishes. They have recently launched their nail polish collection and it contains pastels, nudes, pinks and reds. The price of each nail polish is rupees 225 and each nail polish in this collection is cruelty free, vegan, paraben free and free from 4 harmful ingredients that nail polishes usually contain. And a lot more about these nail polishes is mentioned in the description box below. You can check it out. Now coming to the formula, I love it. 2 coats is what you need for a nice and opaque finish. And I love the fact that the polish applies beautifully on your nails and it smoothens out itself so that you get an even and smooth finish. Now the shade range is pretty good. Pick any shade from the pastels collection and I bet you're gonna love it. I picked up 3 shades and I love all of them. But it was hell of a task for me to pick up just 1 shade from the nudes collection because the shades looked confusing. I'm not into nude nail polishes and I just couldn't decide which one to pick. So I randomly picked a shade. You'll see which one in the swatches. And I also picked up a red, no pinks. So in total I bought 5 nail polishes and yes, I can say I pretty much liked all of them. I hope this brand comes up with something new and different in the future because a lot of brands in the Indian market sell glossy nail polishes but very few sell let's say texture nail polishes. So it'd be great if they come up with something different like that in the future. I would love to try. So let's see. And now you'll continue watching the swatches. I'll see you on the other side of the video. So guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you found it helpful, and if you did, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel and stay connected. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.